Well, folks, this is just a reminder that nothing in this world is safe, and I am going to show one thing now that has shocked me and made me treacherous because I never thought that my broker, who is solid on the surface, has all the conditions to be safe, and with me right now is about 12 people. A lot of people were complaining, so we took the empty balance, the cut bag, and I didn't have any kind of answer for the chat section. And when they answered, they were simply random answers, and in this case, didn't answer my specific question. So what I want to show is that in this case, the misfortune that happened on my account, as you can see the pattern here, I have 130,600 and charge 650 per day in interest. Now they're playing with my face. You don't answer me to solve any problems? You can give me an amazing amount here, as you can see in the profit pool. Look at how minuscule the money they offered me is. Check the income statement for verification. It's a locked-in balance because Big C is going down. Here I am. The value is going down. I give myself a Monica. My value, I have $18 and $14. It's a pure shame. What are they doing to the client? And then finally, we come with the bullshit saying we can release our assets more intensely and we have to invite new people into our business. Wow. I wish they could explain to me from the bottom of their hearts, how can anyone invite someone else to do a business that even we can do? There's another issue to discuss. Before that, I had 16 USDCs to test the loot, and Bitradex did me a big favor. So I had 14 USDCs disappear from the map and disappear. And you can see the last deposit Bitradex gave me from $650. You left me 640 to have some fun. Did you find it funny? As you can see here, this is my last withdrawal and I have about 130,000 now and I already have 650 and I can never withdraw again. So this is my last withdrawal. And then as you can check the transfer here, I have about $14 here in this case. The transaction history here, as you can see what I did here, USDC now. STC, so it's negotiations, my extreme negotiations over the last few days, so you can see I'm here for fun. It's frustrating but amusing simultaneously, as you can tell. Now it's here, so I'm here. Where it is, so this is the last deal I can make. Honestly, that's a shame. So the last trade I was able to make, you could see the value of my trade that day. So I rounded those values and at the same time, what I want to show here is that I am here and now here is USDC and I have 14 USDC trying to test the bags. And before that, Bitradex tried to steal my stuff and they disappeared and I didn't even have a chance to be here. Although I will try to do the bags again, but in this case, they were cut off before the 16th yesterday. So my dear friends, this is just to show you that Bitradex is not as serious as they say. Thank you very much. Please contact me with any queries. Oh, but I just wanted to show here what Bitradex is saying in this case. This is to make you understand what you are doing. Let's see here. You want to see what is said here. In this case, releasing assets, inviting people. Wow, spectacular. And in the end, you dare tell me you're a valuable partner? Wow, we're gone. Without our authorization, all contracts are blocked. You can see it here. You can view it here. All contracts are gone. Only this day I did today in BXC. The rest of the contracts are here. Did a lot of contracts in 360 days. Everything is gone. All in all, it's a shame on what Bitradex is doing.